Hey everyone, Dr. Taylor Levine from Unruh Spine Center here at Slick Art Studios, where today I'm going to be going over a bunch of different types of stretches that can help you out. Whether you're at home, at the gym, or on the go, or even at the office, come follow me with some of these stretches, so let's get started. Our next exercise and stretch is going to again help with that low back. So what we're going to do is you're going to again lay flat on your back. And first things first, what you need to really focus on to start this stretch is balancing your pelvis. Some of you may have more than others, but when you're laying flat here, it's probably not your entire back laying down on the ground. So what you're going to want to do is take your pelvis and tilt it backwards so that entire low back is flat on the ground. You're going to want to engage your core. So just pretend like someone's punching you in the stomach while holding this position to keep that back flat on the ground. Now from this position, you can straighten one leg and take another leg and then bring that right to your chest. Now remember, engaging that core and having that pelvis tilted, and you're going to hold this from anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds. Once you're all done holding this for 10 to 30 seconds, you're going to bring it back down. Again, remember, keep that core engaged, that back flat on the ground, and then you're going to take the other knee and again, bring that to your chest as high as you can go and hold that for 10 to 30 seconds. And once you've done that, you can bring that one back down. And again, still making sure that core is engaged like someone's punching you, that back flat on the ground. And then you could take both knees and bring them up to your chest and holding that again for 10 to 20 seconds. You'll do this 2 to 3 times. And when you're done, you could come on up. Whether you're just doing it at home or easy enough, I challenge you to bring a yoga mat to your office and start doing them there. Do it once every 30 minutes to an hour to really just help make sure that your flexibility is staying where it should, and it will help prevent you from having low back issues in the future. Again, my name is Dr. Taylor Levine. If you have any questions about any of these stretches that we went over today, please feel free to come chat with me at the office, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.